How to make and add transparent text in CapCut video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open CapCut application on your device. Click on the new project at the top and go to library. Choose any one of the green screen option here and click on add at the bottom right corner. Once you do, you simply need to edit your text in this screen. So select the portion of the video which you like. Click on split and you can delete the rest part of the video. Once the clip has been selected, go to text, click on add text and simply write your text here. Edit the color of your text if you want and simply take a screenshot of the screen. Once edited, screenshot it and you simply need to go to the another project. So go back in your home section in CapCut, click on another video, click on overlay, add overlay of the screenshot which we just took, and now you simply need to crop this portion of this picture up to the text. Once edited, simply place the text where you want in your video, then scroll right to the bottom tab and choose the option of opacity. Decrease the opacity until the text is seen transparent. Then go to splash and apply the filter of filter. So that's it. That is how easily you can make and add transparent text on CapCut. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.